everyone. So na ako sa Bohol Tropics. Okay, there. Kay Kaping ni Palang. Na si Ami. O Biara ang Kaping. Okay. Hopefully manars na siya pohon. Okay, so Kaping and badge pinning candle lighting ceremony. Mana siya. Si Palang.
Kumusta man ang inyong pagtuon? Parang something pa o parang wala na lang? Parang natin na lang. Ha? Mga igsoon ko na Kristo, importante na yan. Kaya nidawat tani karon kining gitawag na tuog cupping, badge pinning, o candle lighting ceremony. Tungod kay nakita sa atong mga magtutudlo, mga faculties, sa administration, nga andam na mo. Kaya nakita nila na parang may something talaga nga mo serve mo sa katawag.
It's cupping ceremony na.
An honor that we are gathered here today to witness and celebrate this occasion with them. To start and welcome us all to this memorable occasion, may I call on the Related Learning Experience Coordinator, Mrs. Rebecca C. Sarmiento, RN.
Good morning. I remember the day when I asked you why you choose nursing. Can you remember that day? When others outrightly demonstrated altruistic desire to become soldier of health, others were quite cynical as you were only forced to take the course influenced by your parents and your relatives. Nonetheless, you started your journey and you demonstrated your effort and willingness to comply all the requirements. Capping, badging, and candle lighting is the tradition that marks a nursing student's passage to practicing the acquired skills in the clinical setting. The ceremony is yearly conducted by every nursing school. This signals the start of your service and commitment as future nurses. Today marks a milestone in your journey of becoming nurse by profession. And it is an honor that we are all gathered here today to witness and celebrate this milestone. On behalf of the BIT International College Administration, Dean of College and Healthcare Professions, faculty and staff, fellow nurses who are here, guests, parents, welcome to this 2023 capping, badge pinning, and candle lighting ceremony. Once again, good morning and have a pleasant day ahead.
Everybody, on behalf of Ms. Anita, I will share to you the significance of this event. To the BIT International College Administration, Dean of the Healthcare Profession, Mrs. Leah Virginia Balitilim, faculty, students, our dear parents, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We are all familiar with beginnings. They can be small steps, but its impact can be experienced in giant leaps. The present challenge that we have faced for the past years, the existence of COVID-19 and the endless patient care, we face hardships, difficulties in the delivering of quality care. The symbol of candle lighting commemorates the lamp, widely known to symbolize Florence Nightingale and her transforming work in our profession. Her lamp became the symbol of goodwill, reliability, and compassion, which are all attributes that are highly desirable in exhibiting optimal care in the field of nursing. The lamp will always shine brightly as a symbol of the care and devotion that a nurse administers to the sick. The cap originated in the early Christian era as a head covering for deaconess or nurses or nuns who cares for the sick. It is a symbol of humility and nobility. Wearing a cap proclaims a nurse's readiness to voluntarily take the responsibilities of caring and rendering services to the sick or dying, or any whether ailing in body or in spirit. It is also believed that the first nursing cap were worn by the Sisters of Charity of Saint Vincent de Paul in Paris, as part of the uniform for one of the first official nursing schools in the mid-1800s. For the men, badge pinning represents the diversity of skills, knowledge, and capability of profession that leads to various job opportunities. It symbolizes the unvarying track of nursing profession towards ultimate process. So today's memorable event marks another milestone in your career as your faculty give recognition and acknowledgement as you embrace a commitment to continually provide quality and balanced healthcare services, to uphold the standard and ideals of the profession and joining the allied health team. That in your hearts, you are ready for the road of being a student nurse. This is the highlight of a student experience, a memorable occasion. Candidates, as you were to pledge the cap and the badge, with compassion and full of responsibility, pride and dignity, and in such a manner that will always bring honor and distinction to your school. In behalf of the administration, I would like to congratulate all of you and to the hardworking parents who have been sacrificing for your children in order to finish their schooling. For our future nurses, congratulations, and may you continue your journey until you become full-fledged with commitment and determination to provide health services. Thank you.
With the power in me vested as the clinical coordinator of the College of Nursing, I humbly present to you this 131 candidates for candle lighting, capping, and badge penning ceremony for school year 2023 for your acknowledgement.
As Dean of the College of Healthcare Professions, specifically the College of Nursing, I accept these benevolent, industrious initiative and tough-skilled 131 candidates for capping badge pinning ceremony with the hope that you will globally and be competitive enough on the challenges that we will be faced in the near future. Congratulations and good morning.
Brenna Lowell, Blackboy, Josie.
May I request all registered nurses and nursing students to please rise. Nurse's Prayer. Dearest Lord, may I see Thee today and every day, in the person of Thy sick, and whilst nursing them, minister unto Thee. Thou Thy hidest Thyself behind an attractive disguise of Thy irritable, the exacting, and the unreasonable. May I still recognize Thee, say, Jesus my patient, how sweet it is to serve Thee. Lord, give me the seeing faith, that my work will never become monotonous, that I will ever find new joy in humouring the fancies and in gratifying the wishes of all poor sufferers. Dearest Lord, make me appreciate the dignity of my highest vocation and its many responsibilities, and never permit me to disgrace it by giving way to coldness, unkindness, or impatience. And may God, whilst Thou art Jesus my patient, deign also to be patient. Jesus bearing with my many faults, and looking into my intentions, which is ever to love and to serve Thee, in the person of each and every one of Thy sick. Lord, increase my faith, bless my efforts, and sanctify my work, now and forever. Amen.
Mayor Jamishu Neil Balite, our ever dynamic Dean, Ms. Leia Virginia Balite Lim, fellow faculty members of the College of Healthcare Professions, proud parents, students, ladies and gentlemen. We are all familiar with beginnings. They can be as small steps, but its impact can be experienced in a giant leaps. Today, students of these institutions, the BIT International College of Nursing, are making a new beginning through cupping, badging, and candle lighting. At time you entered into the life of nursing, the wearing of cups signifies that your life is dedicated to its pain and sorrow. It means that wealth of study to surmount this test and trial which to bring back health and happiness to the sick and lame. The lighting of candle is a symbolic of arc light that shines within your heart. The light that shines talks about three things. One, it is a reminder of darkness outside we live in a world where human rights are being violated, elderly are being forgotten, and children making friends through social media rather than face-to-face. We need to have a big picture of the suffering of people. It is not just physical illness that troubles people. More often, it is the loneliness and the feeling of being deserted by friends and families that hurts people. We are called to shine our lights in this darkness. 2. The light shines speaks out of hope. We are called to do little acts of kindness, which kindles hope in the heart of patient. It can be a smile, kind word of encouragement, can be timely help, even pat on shoulder or holding hands for a moment. Yes, God has chosen you to be the anchor of encouragement. You are going to carry With you, a ray of hope. Wherever you go, even when life gets too busy and personal difficulties crowd out your day. And finally, the light that shines is about burning out of others. There is, without a doubt, or selflessness in the profession of nursing. We are called to put others first. As a nurse, we have the opportunity to heal the heart, mind, soul, and body of our patients, their families, and ourselves. They may forget your name, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Remember, your course is noble discipline, as thousands of people counting on you. You see, as a rule, as healthcare professional, not as a burden, but rather as a duty, a privilege, and opportunity to serve. Congratulations.
To our student nurses, this capping, pinning, and candlelight lighting ceremony is just the beginning of a tomorrow full of challenges of much greater magnitude. As you wear your cap and pin and light your candle, continue your journey towards professional growth one step at a time. May you become nurses who are competent, caring, compassionate, critical thinkers, committed to quality care, and anchored in the BITIC core values.
So, mo na ipaghuman no nagaka-capping na oh. Hopefully, mahimo ng nurse pohon. So, mo pa ipaghuman sa capping, badging, and pinning ceremony sa BIT diri sa Bohol Tropics Resort.